First of all, I think I have to congratulate my team for the performance of today. I think we lose the game in two facts. First is missing the penalty. Secondly is the physical power in duel the second half of Mali. Those reasons make us lose the game today. But the performance of South Africa was good. And I think if we scored the penalty that the game should be different. But okay. This is comment after the game and that doesn't change the result.
Okay, we'll take questions. Okay, we'll start with the lady here. Where is the mic? Yes.
Bonsoir coach, Richard Toussaint-Boko, journaliste malienne. Alors, en première période, vous êtes parvenu à mettre le Mali en difficulté. L'équipe est venue avec un autre visage. Alors, selon vous, qu'est-ce qui a fait la différence?
Pardon?
J'ai dit, en première période, votre équipe est parvenue à mettre le Mali en difficulté. Alors, en seconde période, l'équipe est revenue avec un autre visage et est parvenue finalement à vous battre. Alors, selon vous, qu'est-ce qui a fait la différence finalement?
Non, c'est ce que je viens de dire. Hein. Donc, la différence entre le premier mi-temps et le deuxième mi-temps, c'est que Mali était plus physique, plus fort physiquement dans les duels que le premier mi-temps. Ça, c'est la différence. On a perdu beaucoup de ballons en duel 1 contre 1. Surtout parce que le physique du Mali était meilleur que nous. Et alors, je veux dire, pas le physique, comment dirais-je, le physique dans les duels. Ça, c'est la différence. Et c'est là que le Mali a fait tourner le match. Pas au niveau football, pas du tout. Mais ok, ça c'est aussi une qualité. Et c'est à cause de ça, et surtout, en manquant le penalty. Si on marque le penalty, ça aurait été un tout autre match.
Gentleman.
Yeah. Coach Velila from the SABC. Just on the penalty. I'm here, Coach.
Oh.
Yes, hard luck on the result. Just on the penalty. We first saw Tebogo with the ball, and then Percy took the penalty. What happened there? Is there an order of taking penalties? And with 2 games to go, surely you still fancy your chances because that's 6 points to play for.
It's what I said a few minutes ago. Huh? I think the way we played the first half was very good. There were good combinations. There was depth in our game. We had chances, and we missed the penalty. And I think the coach of Mali saw what he had to do, and they were stronger in duel the second half. We couldn't make our game anymore, and that was because of the power of Mali. So we get 2 goals. The second goal, we lose the ball on a place we don't have to lose it, and that makes a second goal, and then the game is finished. So, but again, I think the performance was good, but not good enough.
So, Coach, my question was about the order of penalty because Tebogo had the ball, Mukwena had the ball, then.
You need a mic,
No. Look, there are three guys for the game. That was Aubrey, that was Mokoena, and that was Percy. And they decide on the pitch. It's not up to me. The one who feels the best has to take the penalty. So, okay, I think Tebogo took his responsibility, and we can't blame that. We can't blame it for that. Certainly not, because taking a penalty is not easy. But he changed the game.
Okay, here. Where is the mic?
Thank you. I'm back on the result, Coach. I'm sure you have seen the result between Namibia and Tunisia. And your next game is Namibia, Tunisia. How do you fancy Bafana's chances of, winning those two?
You know, if you don't win that game, you are in a very bad situation. And therefore, it was very important to have a good result today. Now we play against Namibia. Yeah, we have to win that game, I think. If we have a draw, it will be difficult to go through the group stages. So we have to win that game. But we can win that game. It's another opponent. And I will tell it to the boys. I didn't have the opportunity till now, but I will tell it to the boys. Just go on like they played today. And then I'm sure that we can win the game against Namibia.
Okay.
Coach, yeah, from South Africa. Do you think that today showed that we have enough strength up front to compete at the African Cup of Nations? Because I don't think that Makgopa had any clear-cut chances, even though we dominated the first half. Okay, we can talk about the penalty miss, but do you think we have enough strength up front to get out of this group?
Today we didn't have enough strength in all the team. You saw that the second half. You saw the physical power of Mali. They were playing closer to the man. They make thoughts. They pushed. They kicked. They did everything, and we didn't have an answer on that because we don't have that kind of players. So and it's not only in front. I think the game of Magopa was certainly not bad, certainly not. But you saw also the second half with those two giants there in the center of the defense. Yeah, they used their power. And then we have to be honest. This is something we don't have in South Africa.
Okay, last question.
Bonsoir coach, Amadou Abisselou Touré, freelance. Lors de la conférence d'avant-match, vous semblez être très sûr de votre stratégie, de la stratégie que vous avez après l'analyse technologique des joueurs maliens. Est-ce que avec cette défaite-là, est-ce que cette défaite se justifie par le fait que vous n'avez pas intégré la condition physique qui semble être la raison de la défaite?
Oui, mais vous savez, moi je ne sais pas intégrer ça. Moi j'ai choisi le joueur. Donc c'est une, comment dirais-je, l'Afrique du Sud n'a pas les types de joueurs comme le Mali, par exemple. Comme je viens de dire, il y a beaucoup de puissance dans cette équipe. Et c'est ça qu'ils ont utilisé le deuxième mi-temps. Nous n'avons pas cette puissance. C'est pas le football sud-africain, mais c'est le football des pays de l'ouest de l'Afrique, le Sénégal, le Cameroun, Ghana, Mali. Tous ces pays-là, ce sont des costauds. Et naturellement, ils utilisent ça, hein, parce que je pense que l'entraîneur a bien vu que le premier mi-temps, ils ont couru derrière le ballon. Hein. Le Mali, hein. C'était nous qui dominaient. Mais il a bien vu, et je pense qu'il a demandé à ses joueurs d'être un peu plus physiques dans le duel. Et c'est ça qui a fait changer le match.
Merci, coach. Merci, coach. Merci.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.